Okay, here we are with the famous Mount Zion hummingbirds. We've got a big peak in the background, and oh yeah, they're all gonna have a party for us here. Got two. Ooh. The taste buds on my tongue.
We're videoing that.
Oh, very nice.
So there is Cindy. She's sitting here, and here's what she's looking at. The hummingbirds.
It's a hummingbird war.
The Mount Zion cliffs. And there's the very tippy top. And there's the purple flowering tree. Let's see if we can get a little bit closer. Are those gorgeous flowers? Or what? It's raining a little bit today. And we're going to go back down to roses.
All the flowers. Whoa.
And a hummingbird that wanted to kiss me.
That was a very close encounter with a hummingbird.
That hummingbird wanted to kiss me. He likes me.
Wow, there's 4 of them now. They're like little bees.
And there's the hummers.
Oh. It's rush hour at
Ooh.
the hummingbird feeder.
That's right, it's rush hour at the hummingbird feeder. Wow. Very cool. So what kind of view is that? And there we go back to Cindy. Coming down. What other way to enjoy a lovely vacation?